Hey guys, it is Whitney and I just wanted to show you quickly how I fill in these color trackers on my weekly spreads. I track mood and energy, mood in the first little column and energy in the second. So during the night, during the week, I'll actually just put the lines there to track the mood and energy. This was a super good day if they're really tall. And then this was like my worst mood day and today, or energy. So I just want to show you how I use the key and fill in the colors in the spread. Okay, so I fill out everything throughout the week, and then I'll typically, so I don't have to pull my colors out every single night. And then I will fill in all the colors at once, just so I have the same ones on hand. And I'm just gonna pick some random Tombow colors that I really like. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick my worst to best colors. Of course, you can pick whichever colors you want. You always have the key there to show you exactly what they mean. And I sometimes put the key on the weekly spread page. Sometimes I may reference like the week before's key. It just depends on the spread and even if I'm tracking everything. So now that I've made my color key, I want to use all these colors. So I'm not just doing like these were all better than 50% days, so I'm going to use just these colors. So that's not how I'm doing it. I want to use all the colors. So I'm going to start with the worst days. So I'm going to go from the worst color and look at my not so great days. And so Saturday and Sunday, and then Wednesday would be kind of my lower days. So I'm going to use this color for the worst. So I know I have 14 spots here, so I want to give colors all equal love. So then I'm going to actually go to my best color. So I'm going to go to my best top days, and it looks like Friday and Thursday were pretty good, both equal. So I'm just going to fill in 4 of them, do this full thing since they were equal mood and energy. Same thing with Friday, it was one of the best days. Then I can choose when to use the green and when to use the blue. So blue is better and green is worse. So I am going to, this one looks like one of the top ones, so I'll put that in blue. Same color as my headers looks like. Here's another pretty great day, mood-wise. And then it looks like I have about 5 more spots, so I can kind of split that up in between these 3. I already have 4 of these, so I'm done with the pink. And I have 5 more spots to go. So do 1 more of this color. Those are about even. This teal color is done. And then I'll move on to the green. And then I'm going to use the orange for this since it's lower than the green beside it. All right, and this way I add some color to my spread. I add all the colors instead of just using it more like a 0% to 100%. I kind of just want to use all the colors equally. So I start at the bottom, then go to the top, and then figure out the middles there. So I hope this helped you learn how I fill out my trackers. I know it's a little bit different than some people, but I just wanted to give that explanation to you. These are Tombow dual brush pens that I'm using, and I will list the numbers in the captions. So, all right, I know that was short and sweet, but I just kind of wanted to go over how I use those colors because I know a lot of people do it a lot differently. Just using maybe a few of the top colors or a few of the bottom colors, but I like to give them all equal amounts of love. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and also check out my Facebook group. I am in there all the time, and I do live draws every other week, so I would love to see you there. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.